If you have ever noticed white flakes on your clothes, then you probably have dandruff. Dandruff is an uncomfortable situation that leaves white and dry flakes throughout your hair and can cause itching, irritation, or a burning sensation on your scalp. It can happen to all types of hair because it happens both due to your hair being dried out or excessively oily. The key to getting rid of dandruff is to control the oiliness of your scalp by washing your hair daily with specific dandruff treatment shampoos. The good news is that it can also be prevented with some natural homemade remedies that will get rid of your dandruff and leave your hair feeling strong and nourished. Lots of people suffer from this problem, and we have been asked in the comment section about natural dandruff treatments. Today we want to share 3 home remedies that will help you get rid of your dandruff. Apple cider vinegar. Due to its antioxidant properties, it helps boost our immune system, balance our skin's pH levels, and reduce inflammation. Apple cider vinegar is used to combat dandruff because it makes it more difficult for fungi to spread on our scalp. Mix a cup of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water in a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, massaging it into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Massage the root of your hair and let the mixture sit for 20 minutes. Then rinse. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is widely used in beauty treatments since it's rich in vitamins, has great anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. If you use aloe vera, your dandruff is sure to improve. Extract the gel from the plant, massage it into your scalp, and let it sit for 30 minutes. Then wash your hair as normal. Honey and egg. A honey and egg hair mask eliminates the appearance of dandruff and also moisturizes and restores your hair's natural oil production. These ingredients contain enzymes and essential amino acids which prevent dandruff when they are absorbed into your hair follicle. Beat an egg with 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams, and apply the mixture all over your hair. Then cover it with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes. Once the time is up, wash your hair with your normal shampoo as usual. Repeat 3 times a week. And in addition to these natural remedies, changing some of your habits might help you get rid of dandruff and keep your hair healthy. Avoid baths with very hot water because it makes your roots produce more oil. Avoid high-fat foods. Avoid sleeping on or putting your hair up when it is wet or damp. Do not rub your scalp with your nails because this can cause head injuries. Instead, massage it with your fingertips in smooth, circular movements. Avoid wearing any type of hats. If you have dandruff, incorporate these new habits into your routine. Try one of our natural remedies and then come back here and tell us your results. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.